What's going on, YouTube? Right here is a brand new 2024 Starcraft 26BH. This right here is one of my favorite floor plans. It's the iconic bunkhouse without a slide. Check this camper out and let me know what you think.
This 26BH only weighs 4740 for weight with a 615-pound tongue weight on it. Comes with two 30-pound propane tanks, a power tongue jack right up front with the light on it, a 2 5/16 ball for the coupler with the electric brake package, and a 7-pin round wiring. It does have 4 stabilizer jacks under each corner. We've got our pass-through storage up front, which I'll show you on the other side. Right here's our fire escape window. Now we're going into our furnace exhaust and our portable water spot. This is to fill up our water tank. Down below, we're going into our low point drains. Checking out all the windows and the hood vent, popping that open and showing you how that operates. Right here's the dual axle with nitrogen filled tires and aftermarket aluminum wheels. 30 amp power cord. The overall length on this is 29 foot 6 inches. Here's our docking station with our outside shower, our campground connection, and how we're filling it. Then we also have our coaxial cable on there. Campground connection equals city connection. Down here are also our hot and low point drains with our, that's our gray water tank and our black water tank drain. So that's our dump station. Going into the rear where we have our square bumper. That cap pops off, we can use that for storage. Into our spare tire and our water heater. Exterior height of this, so this is 10 foot 7 inches tall. The width is 8 foot wide. Right there's the 2 bunk windows, the bracket for the Lipper on the go ladder. Next to that is going to be the bracket for the backup camera. We're wired for that if we'd like it. We do have a beautiful 18-foot awning on there. That is an electric awning. Down here, some storage. Right here, some 120 volt plugs, household plugs. In the window and the outside speakers. Nice size entry door handle here. The tank sizes on this are 39 black, 39 gray, and 48 fresh. This also comes with a 3-year structural warranty. And now I just want to show you this pass-through storage and what that looks like with the magnetic door latch. Little light inside with our power cord, our outside shower, manual stabilizer jack handle, and the drill bit. Now we're going inside, showing a nice 2-step solid steps to get in. I love those new solid steps. As we walk inside, we'll see that these guys even offer a carpet. Then we're going directly to the left with a full-size dinette. This thing pops right down into a temporary bed. Over here is our master control panel with our light switches, our awning switch, our levels, hot water pump, water heater. Then we're getting over into our kitchen area, stereo and cabinets. Then over above the dinette is a TV spot with cable and plugs to plug it in, a backer location to hang up a mount. Over here's a double bed with lights, USBs, and spots to put your phones in each one. Each of the lights have individual switches. Again, these are full-size beds in here. They both come with the windows in there. Then across from that's our little sink vanity with a medicine cabinet. That way if somebody wants to use the shower, somebody else can still get ready for the day. In the shower, we have a bathroom. We have the fan above the shower. Next to that is a toilet. Underneath the sink and the vanity. Medicine cabinet. That is the air conditioner controller. And this does have solar, which is why things are showing. And I've got the battery jump pack into it. Here is this awesome new fridge. I love this fridge because I'm showing you exactly why right now. Not only is it huge, it's also 12 volt and takes minimal amount of power. But, yes, exactly. It opens up on either side. Convenience purposes make that awesome. And that does that with both doors. I love this thing. Now we're getting into the microwave. And the hood vent with the fan and the light. 3-burner stove with the glass top. No, it's not tempered glass, but it is a glass top for more countertop space when we're not cooking. And then right there is the oven. Love that. Not all of them have it. Storage everywhere we can put it. So there's storage underneath the oven. Fuse box and breaker box here. That's right underneath the fridge. Over here underneath the sink. Drawers. Drawers. Whoa, look how far it pulls out. Bam. And more drawers. Huge sink. Cabinets above. Store everything and more. Now we're going into the guest bed. This is a jackknife sofa. Quickly folds into a bed when needed, but it's also the perfect little spot to sit for guests. And now we're into our master bedroom up front. Master bedroom has a walk-around queen, couple wardrobes, nightstands, underbed storage. We even have a spot in here to hang up a TV and mount a TV. And the solar controller's in here as well. I love the new color schemes this year. They brightened it right up. There's a solar controller.
All right, this is a 26BH Autumn Ridge by Starcraft. This one has that awesome new fridge with the opening on both sides, so you can open from the left or right side. This is their iconic family bunkhouse that has a double bunks, the nice wide dinette area that turns into a bed, their little jackknife sofa, and their permanent size walk-around queen up front. So sleeps 8 to 10, under 5,000 pounds. Beautiful, beautiful bunkhouse. Check out this camper. Keep on coming back for more, and make sure you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. These videos mean a lot, but you mean more. So thanks for coming. Keep on coming back.